Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can install the Google Meet in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices using any browser that we have in our device. Okay, so let's get started. So let me open first the Microsoft Edge browser that I have, and let me just expand this one. So here in the URL section, please type meet.google.com, this one. And the moment you type that, or the moment you click on that, I'm sorry, I am not connected with an internet, so let me just reconnect with my internet. By the way, I am connected with a public network. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. So now I am connected. So let's go back again. Let's access the meet.google.com, and once you do that, you will see here the Google Meet website. And if you see this three dot icon in the upper right corner of your screen, please click on that, and you will see here in the app section the install Google Meet option. So please click on that, and once you do that, you will see here the install option for the Google Meet application. So please click on install, and it will now start installing the Google Meet in your device. And once you do that, or once it is done, let me just quickly close the Microsoft Edge browser. So here you will now choose for the options that you would allow for this app to do in your device. So I will create this step shortcut, pin this to start and taskbar, and I will just leave auto start on device login unchecked or unselected, and then click on allow. And here you will now you can now add a new meeting or enter a code or link and join the meeting. And you can also make changes with the settings and more. Open sidebar search here. So here you can also, if you want to uninstall now the Google Meet, you can do that by simply clicking this three dot icon again, and then click on the app settings, and you will be redirected here in this window. So here you will see the uninstall option in the very bottom part. So please click on that, and then you can check this one and then click on uninstall, and the Google Meet will now be successfully uninstalled from your device. Okay, so that's it. That's how you install and uninstall the Google Meet in your device. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.